Ever wondered how to transform ordinary molds into sparkling treasures that catch everyone's eye? Today I'm going to show you how to create this stunning jewelry collection with just a few simple techniques. Stay tuned to see how this holographic glitter magic happens. Trust me, you'll want to make these for yourself and all your friends. Welcome to Happy Place Creations. If you're new here, I'm Connie. If you're returning, welcome back. Today we're diving into something super special. We're creating this gorgeous collection of glitter jewelry and a stunning trinket box that sparkles from every angle. I'm so excited to share this project because it's perfect for beginners but looks absolutely magical when finished. I'll be working with these square and hexagonal jewelry molds, plus this adorable jar mold that's perfect for storing tiny treasures. The best part? We'll be using the same techniques for all of them, so you'll learn how to create a complete matching set in just one session. Don't worry if you're new to resin, I'll walk you through each step, share all my little tricks for getting that perfect sparkle, and show you how to add those cute little embellishments that really make these pieces pop. So grab your supplies and let's get creating something beautiful together. Hey everyone, today we're starting with something a little different. These gorgeous snowflake decorations. Aren't they pretty? I found this cute garland, but for our project, we need these snowflakes to be individual pieces. So first things first, I'm carefully snipping each snowflake off the string. See how there's that little bit of thread still attached? Watch this little trick. I'm just lightly touching it with my heat tool to melt away those thread bits. Just be careful not to hold it too close or you'll melt your snowflake. Now for the fun part, we're going to transform these plain white snowflakes into colorful resin beauties. I've got these small mixing cups ready, and I'm adding different Let's Resin mica powders to each one. Look at these gorgeous colors. A little shimmer of blue in this one, some purple in another. Now I'm adding some Let's Resin UV resin to each cup and giving them a good mix. UV resin is perfect for this project because it cures so quickly under a UV light. No waiting around for hours. These snowflakes are going to look absolutely magical when they're done. Just wait until you see them sparkle. Now let's get started with our molds. I'm beginning with this adorable jar mold first. Then we'll do the jewelry pieces, and finally that beautiful square jewelry box. First things first, I'm mixing up a batch of Let's Resin epoxy. Look at how smooth and clear it is. Now for the sparkle magic. I'm adding this gorgeous iridescent glitter and some rainbow multicolored glitter directly into my epoxy. Isn't that pretty? The way these catch the light is just amazing. Here's a little resin hack I want to share with you. I'm worried about all this beautiful glitter sinking to the bottom of my mold, so I'm adding a drop of Elmer's glue right into the mold. This is such a game changer. The glue helps suspend the glitter throughout the resin so you get that gorgeous sparkle effect all the way through your piece. Quick tip, you only need about 1 drop of glue per ounce of resin, and timing is everything. Once you add the glue, you need to mix it immediately before it starts setting up. If you're mixing in a cup, pour right away, but since I'm adding it directly to my mold, I'm stirring it right in. Now I'm placing one of our colored snowflakes in the cover of the jar and another in the jewelry box lid. I originally put some snowflakes inside the jar too, but between us, I wasn't loving how they looked, so I ended up taking those out. That's the beauty of crafting. You can always change your mind as you go. All right, now we've reached the most exciting moment. Everything has completely cured and hardened beautifully. Let's dive into finishing our jewelry collection first. I'm absolutely thrilled with how these glittery treasures have transformed. These dazzling little creations are about to become so much more than just resin pieces. Some will be transformed into elegant pendants, others into practical magnets, and several into functional keychains. I've always believed in maximizing every single drop of my resin mixture. Waste not, want not, is definitely my crafting motto. That's exactly why I keep these smaller molds on standby whenever I'm working with resin. They're perfect for utilizing every last bit of that precious mixture. Just look at how these hexagonal and circular pieces turned out. The way the light dances through all those different colors and sizes of glitter is absolutely magical. It's like capturing tiny galaxies in each piece. What makes them extra special is that no two are identical. Each has its own unique pattern and sparkle distribution, which is one of the most rewarding aspects of creating with resin and glitter combinations. For the pieces destined to become pendants and keychains, I'll be attaching these adorable little jump rings and chains to transform them into wearable art. And for those becoming magnets, I've got some small but mighty magnetic backings ready to go. These versatile little creations make such thoughtful handmade gifts for friends and family, though I completely understand if you find yourself wanting to keep the entire collection. They're just that pretty. What I really love about these pieces is their incredible versatility. Beyond just pendants and keychains, you could use them as zipper pulls, bracelet charms, bookmark decorations, or even festive holiday ornaments with a different type of hanging. The possibilities are virtually endless from just a single resin pour session. Hanarin. Next, voiceover. Now comes the absolutely thrilling moment we've been waiting for, carefully unmolding our larger statement pieces. Just look at the extraordinary way these have transformed. The glitter is suspended absolutely perfectly throughout the entire piece, creating this mesmerizing galaxy-like effect that seems to dance and shift as the light catches different angles of the resin. For our square jewelry box, I wanted to incorporate something whimsical and delightfully sweet as the centerpiece. After contemplating several options, I ultimately decided on this charming purple and white swirled candy lollipop design, complemented by an adorable little yellow bow positioned just beneath it. Doesn't it evoke memories of those magical candy shops we all loved as children? To enhance the enchanted appearance, I strategically placed several sparkling rhinestones around the perimeter, which creates this beautiful frame effect while amplifying that magical sparkle we're going for. The spiral pattern on the lollipop creates such a wonderful contrast against the multi-dimensional glitter background. For our jar creation, I opted for something truly special and nostalgic, this exquisite Disney princess figurine. I'm absolutely in love with how her silvery, almost pearlescent finish harmonizes perfectly with the sparkly, iridescent resin base. To elevate the design even further and add a touch of romance and whimsy, I carefully arranged these stunning heart-shaped rhinestones in a vibrant ruby red around the circumference of the lid. The way these heart embellishments capture and reflect the light is simply breathtaking, adding that perfect finishing touch that completes the entire aesthetic. What truly fascinates me about these particular pieces is how the carefully selected embellishments completely transform them from what would be lovely but simple resin projects into absolute show-stopping conversation pieces. The princess-adorned jar would make the most enchanting trinket holder for a child's bedroom, a magical container for tiny treasures like rings or special stones, or even a delightful decorative piece for a vanity or bookshelf. And that candy-inspired jewelry box is absolutely ideal for safely storing precious rings, delicate earrings, or any meaningful keepsakes that deserve a special home. The harmonious combination of the crystal clear, glitter-infused resin with these thoughtfully chosen decorative elements creates such a wonderfully whimsical, almost enchanted storybook appearance. Each individual piece seems to tell its own magical little narrative, inviting the imagination to wander, wouldn't you agree? They've become not just functional storage items, but miniature works of art that capture a sense of wonder and magic. Thanks for being here with me today. It truly makes a difference. Hit that subscribe button to join our growing community and stay updated on all the latest content. Can't wait to share more amazing videos with you. See you in the next one.